Hello students, in last lecture we started with the special series. Series is a set of numbers which follow certain conditions. So 1, 4, 9, 16. This is also one series. So here which pattern is followed? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and so on. So this is one kind of series. There is question asked depending on the series in competitive exam also. So this is the series. So last lecture we learned some special kind of series and their sum. Sum of n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square till the n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. And sum of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube is equal to n into n plus 1 bracket raised to square and in denominator there is 2 here. So till the n cube, till the n square and till the n. So remember these things. Here n into n plus 1 is there, common everywhere. And n cube we have made the square of this only. So you can remember this formula and its square will be there. Here n into n plus 1 is there, 2n plus 1 is added extra and denominator is 6. So likewise you can remember the formula and you can solve the example. So yesterday also we seen few examples. Yesterday we seen some few examples. Here n is a series started from 1. Remember, here series started from 1. Here every series of this formula is started from 1. So 1 square and cube. The respective formulas are there. You need to learn this formula to solve the further examples. So before that, we are going to see one concept of summation. Summation is denoted by a symbol and it has a summation of any number x starting from I starting from 1 to n. That means we have to add a number from x1 to x2 to x3 till the xn. So first term of x, second term of x, third term of x and x raised to n. In this summation there is series starting from 1 to n. Summation of any number k square plus k plus 1 starting from I is equal to 1 to n. In this case, we are going to perform separate summation. That means summation of k square separately, summation of k separately, and summation of 1 separately. So likewise, we are going to perform summation. Remember this rule of summation for the addition. Rule of summation for the addition. We'll take one example. We have to use this summation of addition differently and these three rules. Okay. there is one example. Summation of 1 cube, 2 cube and 3 cube. Summation of 1 cube, summation of 1 square, 3 square, 5 square till the n terms. So this square is going to match with the second part, the second formula, but difference is 2. So which thing we have to do here? First of all, we need to determine the n term. We need to determine the n term. Then we will derive general formula of any term and we will do summation of that all terms. So remember, first we will determine what is the n square. So first we will determine the n term starting from 1, 3, 5. N term will be Tn will be a plus n minus 1 d, where d is 2, common difference is 2. We have to consider arithmetic progression here. So a is 1 plus n minus 1, d is 2. So what will we think? 1 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 2n minus 1. The n term will be 2n minus 1. So n term we want as a 2n minus 1 square. So this is the n term. Now we have to apply a formula of summation. We have to make sum of 2n minus 1 term. The general formula will be 2k, expand this, 4n square minus 4n plus 1. So general formula will be 4k square minus 4k plus 1. General formula of any term of this series. General formula 4k square minus 4k plus 1 will be. So we have to make summation of all this term starting from 1 to n term. So whatever the formula we learned just now, we have to apply here. The sum will be summation of I starting from 1 to n till the k square of the term k square 4k plus 1. I is from 1 to 3 till the n. So this summation formula gives us freedom to apply it for the general formula. We have to make the summation of term whose formula, general formula is this, and we have to add these terms starting from 1 to n. So this is the general formula. Okay. So summation of k square minus 4k plus 1 I equal to 1 to n. So we have to make summation of different parts. Is equal to summation of k square 4k square is there, 4k square minus summation of 4k plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Okay. So likewise, we are going to perform the operation. Now, summation of 4k square. 4 we can take constant, we can take outside. 4 into summation of k square minus 4 into summation of k plus summation of 1. starting from I is equal to 1 to n, I is equal to 1 to n, I is equal to 1 to n. So summation of k square, 4 is constant outside, starting from 1 to n. So what will be is summation 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till the n square. This will be the first part. What will be the second part? Minus 4 into 1 plus 2 plus till the n. And what is the last part? Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 till the n. N times. Okay, n times. So this fits in the second formula. So 4 is constant remain as it is. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 will be the summation of this part. Okay, so minus 4 into summation of n term starting from 1 for n natural numbers. It will be first formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and summation of 1 n times will be n. So we got this last step. 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus 4 into n plus 1 divided by 2 plus n. This is the answer of this question. What we done in this formula? We first determine the general formula of any term of this series. Then we applied summation differently. Each part of that formula we applied summation. Then we got the summation of k square, summation of k. Summation of k square means addition of terms starting from 1 to n, where each term is treated as a k square. K's value will be 1 to n. Okay. So here we can take k also. K's value will be 1 to n. K's value here instead of I you can take a k. K's value will be 1 to n. Summation of k square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square till the n square. Summation of k starting from 1 to n, 1 to till the n. So likewise you can. This is the formula fit in the second formula we learned already. This is fit in first formula. So 4 and minus 4 remain outside. So this is the first formula, second formula. This is the first formula, and this is the sum of 1 till the n. So n will be. So likewise we got the solution. Okay. So after solving this, simplifying this equation, we got this. Remember what we done? We having 1, 2, 3 formulas. This example doesn't fit any of these formulas. So first of all, one more term is there. Summation of, sorry, I made mistake there. If I made mistake somewhere in between, please excuse me. K from starting on k is equal to 1 to n. Summation of k will be what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till the n. Remember one more thing. Summation of k starting from 1 to n, k square will be 1 square, 2 square, 3 square till the n square. So this is the summation example. This is the summation example, and this is 3 formulas are there. So first of all, we apply the concept of summation on this example. We have applied concept of summation on this example. So 1 square directly 3 square given. Here in formula 2 square given. So we can't apply formula this second formula here. First, second and third. So what we done? We determine the general formula of any term of this series. So general formula will be 4k square minus 4k plus 1. This is general formula. General term we determined, and instead of n we have just written the k for our sake of understanding term. So this is the any term. So we have to add first term. When k is equal to 1, first term will be there. When k is equal to 2, second term will be there. We have to add this n term starting from k is 1 to n. So So we have to add first term, second term, third term till the n term. We have to add from first to n. General formula of any term is this. So if we put k is equal to 1, we are getting first term. If we put k is equal to 2, we are getting second term. So this is the symbol of summation. So we have to add these all terms. So we have applied this summation differently. Next step, what we have done? We have applied summation differently. So applied summation of 4k square, applied summation of 4k, starting k is equal to 1 to n. K is equal to 1 to n. 4 we are taken outside. 4 we are taken outside, and here nothing is there. 1 is there. So summation of k square means what? Starting from 1, 2, 3 till the n. This formula we are getting summation of k. First formula we are getting, and summation of 1 is n. We are adding 1 n times. So first, after first 4 taken outside. So summation of k square is this formula here. Minus 4 will outside. Summation of k is 1, 2, 3 till the n. This formula fit in this second formula, and this in the first formula. Then we apply their formulas. First year, second year, and this n here. Okay. Then we got this form, complex form. Then we have to generalize or simplify this equation. Simplify this equation. What we can do? We can cancel 2 from here. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So we can write down 2 upon 3 also. And after simplifying, whatever the answer of the simplification, we are getting the answer of summation of 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 2n minus 1 square. They are told you that we have to add n terms. Okay, remember that we have to add n terms. They are not given the n as a nth term. We have to determine this. What is the n? Okay, so remember this. We'll take one more example. We'll get relaxed. Second example will be 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 2n square. Sum of, we have to determine sum of 2 square, 4 square, 6 square till the n, 2n square, 2n square. This is the first term, second term, third term, and this is the nth term. This is the nth term. So nth term will be 2n square. So it is 4n square. So general formula, how you determine general formula? General formula is equal to 4k square. Instead of n, we take just k, because we not get confused with the n and k. So 4k square. So 4 square k square is 4k is any term of this series. If you put k is equal to 1, 4 into 1 square. Okay, so this will be 2 square. We are getting first term. If we put k is equal to 2, 4 into 2 square, 4. 4 into 4, 16. 4 square, 16. Second term we got. Likewise, we are determining the general formula. Now we have to find out the sum of this all general formula. So one thing we know, the formula of summation. Summation of 4k square is what? Just we are going to take k from 1 to n. So 4 take outside. Summation of k is equal to 1 to n. K square. So what is series we are getting here? 4 into 1 square. K is equal to 1 plus 2 square plus k will be 3. 3 square till the k will be last n square. Okay. So like this. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus n square. This fit in the second formula. So 4 into, what is the summation of this? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This is the sum of this actual example. So this is nothing but this whatever the example given. We are written in the form of summation, remember, and then we have determined the actual value. Remember this that this formula this example doesn't fit any of this formula. We have converted into this common form such that it can fit in this general form. After converting the common form, 4 is outside, k square will be there. Okay. Likewise, you can determine the solution of any example. So we will do this. We'll take one more example. Take t square plus 5 square plus 7 square we'll try this. Okay, so what will be the n term? First term is Tn will be first term is 3, last term will be n minus 1, common difference is 2 till the nth term. Okay, till the nth term. N minus 1 into common difference is 2. First term 3 plus n minus 1, 2n minus 2. So 2n plus 1 will be the tnth term. So nth term will be 2n plus 1 square. So general formula will be 2k plus 1 and its square. 2k plus 1 and its square. This is the n term or any term. This is the any term, formula for any term. So 4k square plus 4k plus 1 will be there after expansion. We have to add this. This is the formula of any term. Maybe if you put 1 here, you will get first term, second term, 7th term and nth term also. So this is we have to add these such a terms. We have to add such a terms from starting from k is equal to 1 to k is equal to n. It will be 4k square plus 4k plus 1. Summation starting from k is equal to 1 to n. So apply summation on each of this part. 4 take outside, 4 into summation of k square plus 4 take outside, summation of k plus summation of 1. Starting from k is equal to 1 to n. Starting from k is equal to 1 to n. Starting from k is equal to 1 to n. So this formula you know. This formula of summation of k you know. Okay, what will be this summation after converting to general form? 4 into 1 square plus 2 square plus k first we have to take 1, then add 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, and at last we have to take maximum n square will be there. Okay, so plus again 4 outside, k we have to take first k 1, then we have to increment it by 1, 2, k 2 means instead of k we are writing 2, instead of k after we are writing 3 till the n. Okay, and instead of summation of 1 to n, that means till n times we are getting n as answer. So this is the solution of this example. Remember this. So likewise we are going to determine the solution using this basic formula and concept of summation. Okay. Remember this is formula and try to solve the first exercise. I'm sorry for your inconvenience. I'm not able to reply your messages. Rachna Mileskar is asking question, but my mobile is impaired, so I'm not able to reply. As soon as possible, I will reply. Okay. Sorry for that.